What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. So if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So pasensya na po kung medyo awkward or mabulol man ako dito sa video ngayon kasi may singaw ako dito sa may gilid ng dila. Kasi sobrang init today, nakakasingaw talaga siya, no? So, hopefully, hindi naman ganun kabulol. For today's video, magre-react tayo kay Nawi Alpuerto or Noe. But I think this is Now. Nawi Alpuerto. Tawag ng tanghalan, Grand All-Star Rest Back 2025 na performance. Kasi, balita ko, 99% daw po din ito. Katulad kay Raven Hayres. So, I'm very excited. Maraming mga request, pero ito si Nawi yung pinaka-requested so far. And meron din tayo dong, yung kumanta daw ng Angels Brought Me Here. And also Maya, kanina lang, kahapon lang. So anyway, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Panoorin po natin. And if hindi pa kayo nakafollow sa akin mga social media handles, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, pumunta po kayo doon at i-follow nyo po si David Llañas. Okay? So, tara at atin na itong i-react. I-react ang arte. Magbigay na tayo ng reaction nito. Okay? Let's go! Para na siyang artista. Ang ganda! Gravity, John Mayer, di ba? Sheesh! Meron talagang star factor, no? Labas sa boses, ang ganda. Nice. Parang kay Yeba yun eh. Alam ko yung inspiration nito. Kakapagod naman nito. All right. That was a powerful performance. Okay, vocally that was powerful. Nakakapagod, no? Towards the end talagang, man, stamina talaga, no? Pero if napansin nyo, although I was really impressed, pero I was not very surprised. Kasi kanina may binanggit akong pangalan while doing the reaction, no? While watching it, sabi ko, parang inspired by Yeba or Yeba inspired ito. si Yeba ay isang singer na sobrang galing. Tapos, I am very familiar with her Gravity cover. May duet sila ni Clark Beckham from American Idol. I-search po ninyo. Clark Beckham featuring Yeba, Gravity. Nasa YouTube po. Pakinggan niyo yung part ni Yeba sa second verse. I'm very sure, okay, may mga runs doon, may mga atake doon na kinuha ni Nawi for this performance. And I think it was really heavily influenced, itong arrangement na to, was really heavily influenced doon sa duet na yon. Again, Clark Beckham featuring Yeba, Gravity. Merong isang run dito si Nawi, Gravity, yung parang ganun, yung ganun. Maririnig mo yun kay Yeba. Oh. That's why sabi ko, uy, Yeba inspired to. Yeba is a very, like, out of this world vocalist. And I'm very impressed with Nawi na somehow she was able to pull off that arrangement. Hindi man lahat, hindi man lahat, but yung vocal range ni Nawi na showcase niya, the confidence, and talagang for me, may star factor talaga yung mukha ni Nawi. So, if I'm the judge, okay, looks pa lang, kasi we're talking about not just singer, but a total package, no? It's tawag ng tangalan, I know, but come on, let's be real, okay? Kailangan natin ng marketability. Tama ba? Dapat marketable. Dapat may potential na ma-market talaga ang isang singer. And I think yun yung edge ni Nawi. Okay, vocals aside, kasi magaling siya. Magaling talaga si Nawi, man. Power, runs, performance, yung charisma, stage presence, ando na. Pero Nawi really has this. Okay? Okay, so hindi na ako magtataka kung bakit yun ay 99%. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.